Hi, this is Ratna and welcome to my channel. This is a cooking segment and being Holi special, I'll be making Bombay Halwa sweet the quick and easy way. If you're interested, please stay tuned. Holi, an Indian Hindu festival of love, festival of colors, honoring love between Lord Krishna and his eternal devotee, the Radha. Also, it is a festival depicting triumph of good over evil, honoring victory of Lord Vishnu over demoness Holika. Let's kick off this festival by making a dessert, Bombay Halwa. So first, we need to dissolve half cup corn flour in 1.5 cups of water. To this, you can add food color. Instead of food color, I am adding 1 teaspoon saffron for a faint yellow color. Now on medium flame, we need to make sugar syrup by adding 1.5 cups of sugar in 1 cup of water. We need to add 1 teaspoon lemon juice to prevent sugar from crystallizing. The sugar melted completely, and now we can add corn batter and cook on medium flame for a few minutes. When we reach a thick consistency like this, we can add 1 tablespoon ghee, finely chopped cashew nuts, and 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder for flavor. Meantime, we can grease a container with a little ghee or clarified butter. When the halwa starts leaving the sides of the pan, we can transfer it to a container and let it cool. So the halwa cooled off completely, and now we can cut it into small squares. This halwa is very soft, and I hope you will make it. That's all for today. If you liked this video, then please do subscribe. Press the bell icon if you would like channel notifications. If you already subscribed, then thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching this segment. See you in another one. Until then, take good care of yourself. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.